Hello and welcome to Hallo German. Today we visit the pharmacy.
Here you can get medicine, bandages, cough drops, and advice. Let's learn.
Richtig und auf Deutsch die Apotheke.
Die Apotheke, the pharmacy. You can find this green sign everywhere in Germany.
Your turn, die Apotheke. One more time. Very useful to know. Der Apotheker, the pharmacist. He or she can help you with any health question. Your turn, der Apotheker.
Die Medizin.
The medicine. Take it exactly as the doctor or pharmacist tells you. Your turn.
Die Medizin. One more time. Follow the instructions.
Die Salbe, the ointment or cream. For skin problems, rashes, or dry skin.
Your turn. Die Salbe. Das Pflaster. The bandage or plaster. For small cuts and scrapes.
Ouch! But yours helps. Das Plaster. Die Tablette, the pill or tablet. Swallow it with water. Never take medicine without asking an adult.
Your turn. Die Tablette. One more time. Stay safe with medicine.
Das Rezept, the prescription. You get this from the doctor. Give it to the pharmacist.
Your turn. Das Rezept. One more time. The pharmacist will read it. Der Hustenbonbon. The cough drop. For a sore throat or cough. It soothes the pain.
Der Hustenbonbon. One more time better. Bezahlen, paying. You pay for your medicine at the counter.
Your turn. Bezahlen.
Danke.
One more time.
Die Beratung, the consultation or advice. The pharmacist can answer your questions.
Danke, das ist sehr hilfreich.
Your turn, die Beratung. One more time. Never be afraid to ask questions.
Okay.
Bis zum nächsten Mal. Bleib gesund.
Like and subscribe. Tschüss. Bye bye. Stay healthy.